simplify the following expressions by applying laws of exponent. Okay? Number 1, we have x cubed times x raised to 5. So dito, we will apply the power rule. So we will just copy, since they have the same base, so we will just copy the base, which is x. And then, we're going to add their exponent. So we have 3 plus 5. So our final answer is x raised to 8. Okay? Next, we have a cubed b times a b squared. So dito naman, product rule ulit. So ang gagawin lang natin dito, so una, copy muna natin si a. And then, ang exponent nung neto is 3. So we have 3 here. And then here naman, ang exponent niya ay 1. So plus 1. And then si b naman, so ito naman, since wala siyang nakasulat na exponent, ang maging exponent niya ay 1. And then yung pangalawang b ay 2 ang kanyang exponent. So if we are going to simplify this one, we have a raised to 4 and then b raised to 3. So this is our final answer. And then, last number is 8x squared y raised to 6 over 4xy. So dito naman, ang gagamitin natin is the quotient rule. So we have 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then x. So ang gagawin natin dito, so 2 minus 1. Okay? Kasi ito ay 1 ang kanyang exponent. And then kay y, so we have y. And then 6 minus 1 ulit kasi 1 ulit yun. So, tandaan natin, kapag ang isang variable ay walang exponent, automatic 1 ang kanyang exponent. Okay? Kapag walang nakasulat na exponent. So, if we are going to simplify this one, so we have 2x raised to 1 or kahit huwag nang isulat and then y raised to 5. So, this is our final answer.